Welcome to Make Wonder, a platform designed by Wonder Workshop with a variety of ways for students and teachers to explore coding by programming our award-winning Dash robot or programming virtual Dash on screen. Blockly is compatible with physical and virtual Dash. Inside Blockly, connected to Make Wonder, students can solve challenges with block-based code and watch Dash bring that code to life on screen. Coding pathways are a great way to teach important coding concepts after students have had a chance to solve the introductory Blockly puzzles. Coding pathways are scaffolded coding activities that focus on building coding skills and can be differentiated for students. Each pathway contains targeted challenges to illustrate coding concepts, along with unique instructional videos made specifically for the Make Wonder platform. Teachers can assign a pathway to students and track each individual's progress, monitoring where students are succeeding and where they need more support. Challenge cards are another great extension inside the platform and provide additional ways to guide student practice while connecting with physical Dash. Math activities are designed to bolster math skills that have been covered in the classroom for grades 3 to 5. They require no teacher preparation, and students complete challenges on screen with virtual Dash. Ready to level up your coding experience? Blockly Pro is for students who are ready to transition from block-based coding to JavaScript. They can work on a progression of activities that utilize advanced coding concepts like variables and then toggle between block and text-based coding. With Blockly Pro, Dash grows with students and is suitable for ages 6 to 14. With all paid tiers of Make Wonder, there is access for teams to compete in the Wonder League Robotics competition, an international virtual competition where teams complete missions at their own pace and submit results online. There are also other curriculum options with the K-5 Learn to Code scope and sequence, an applied robotics curriculum for older students, and an extensive cross-curricular lesson library. Make Wonder is a robust STEM solution by Wonder Workshop that provides numerous ways for teachers to ignite a passion for coding, robotics, and problem-solving in students ages 6 to 14.